Hi, this is Charlie from funeraltemplates.com. I'm going to show you how to edit a large funeral welcome sign with a photo collage. Once you've purchased the sign and downloaded it, it will open in Microsoft PowerPoint. This is simply because PowerPoint allows you to make the page nice and big, and this sign is 24 by 36 inches, so it's a large sign. Now you'll see this one has a photo collage, and we're going to work on changing the photos now. So you'll click it and you'll see that the photos are all grouped together. Now we want to edit this middle one, so I'm going to click it again and you'll see it's selected. And I'm going to go to Shape Format, click this little arrow next to Shape Fill and select Picture. And I'm going to select the picture I would like to put in the box and click Insert. Now you'll see that the photo is quite stretched, so to solve that we go to Picture Format, we go to Crop and we click Fill. And all that does is put the picture in the box nicely for you and gets rid of the stretched look. Now you can move the photo around in this box by simply clicking it and moving it like this. You can also make it a little bit bigger if you want to zoom in. So you simply click like this and zoom in. And there we have the picture in the box. And I click off it and it's ready. Now I'm not going to edit all the photos, but you can edit them exactly the same way. So you click it, click a photo, go to Shape Format and fill the box with another photo. And that's simply how you change all the photos in this sign. Now to change the name, we can click here and put a different name in. And you can click there and change the date as well. So the title is inserted as a picture. Now if you want to change it to a different one, you can delete it and change it. There are two options. On this page it says Celebrating the Life of, and you'll notice just here there's another page with In Loving Memory. Now if you don't want either of these titles, you can select it, delete it, insert a text box, choose a new font and a size, and type your title in here. Now we can move the title and get it in the middle. There we go. So you'll notice in the corners of the sign there are these special marks. This is simply for the print shop. It's to show them how to print the sign and where to cut it. Now if the print shop asks if the sign has bleed, you can say yes, it has bleed. Now we want to prepare this document ready for the printer. So first of all we want to delete the page that we're not using. So we click it, we right click, we click Delete Slide, and it takes that one out of the document for us. Now we're going to save the sign, so we click File, Save As, we select PDF, and we click Export. And that's ready. So you send the PDF of the sign to the printer, not the PowerPoint file, just the PDF. Now to purchase this sign, you can either click on the link in the description below the video or go to funeraltemplates.com.